I've got some Merbau steps here that were installed about 7 or 8 years ago, and these steps have been exposed to sun most of the day. They did have a system of Cetol HLSE and Cetol deck over the top. Again, it was an excellent product to protect and look after our steps. I've let it go a little bit too long, so I'm going to need a fair bit more work involved in getting this looking back to new again. This time around I'm going to try one of our products, which is a water-based product. It's called Cetol BLX-Pro. It's quick drying, it's a 2-hour recoat instead of a 24-hour recoat with the oil base, so I can get it all done in one day. I'm going to go through the video, I'm going to sand it, I'm going to prepare it, I'm going to take it back to bare timber and start again so you can see the process of ripping off the old coating and starting again, and then the finished product. I've used a random orbital sander. This is the Merbau dustless sander that I'm using at the moment. It does a great job of taking off the old coating and exposing the new grain. I've started with a 40 grit, which is quite aggressive, and that just rips back the old coating and gets it back to bare. Once I've done that, I've taken the 40 grit off and I've gone to an 80 grit. And the 80 grit there just helps sort of get rid of any scratches and just gives it a nice finish ready for coating. You can go up to say about a 120 grit, which will give you a nice finish, but I like to stick with an 80 grit just to help with a bit more adhesion and protection.
Make sure the surface is clean and dry before applying 3 coats of Sikkens Cetol BLX-Pro. Apply the BLX-Pro with a good quality brush and allow 2 hours drying between coats. Apply the BLX-Pro along the grain of the timber to ensure a nice even finish. Allow the coating to dry for at least 2 hours before applying light foot traffic. To keep your timber looking its best, apply a maintenance coat of the BLX-Pro every 12 months to help protect against the elements. For more information on the Cetol BLX-Pro and our other Sikkens finishes, visit the Sikkens website.